Good morning, dear student. I Rajan Tiwari. Today I am going to explain exercise 7.1 question number 2. Question number 2 is ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD equal to BC and angle DAB equal to angle CBA. Prove that first, triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC, second, BD equal to AC, and third, angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. Okay. Now first we given, as you know, any theorem, if you want to prove any theorem, you have to follow 4 steps. First step given, second step to prove, third step construction if possible, if required, and fourth one is proof. These 4 steps you have to follow when you prove any theorem, when you solve any theorem. What we have given in this question? In this question, AD equal to BC, AD equal to BC. Second one is angle DAB, angle DAB is equal to angle ABC, yes, CBA. Okay, these two things we have to given, and to prove what we have to prove. First proof is triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC. Second, BD is equal to AC, and third, angle ABD is equal to angle BAC. These 3 things we have to prove. First one, triangle ABD, this triangle congruent to BAC, this one. Second, BD equal to AC, BD equal to AC, and third one is ABD equal to BAC, ABD and BAC. These 3 things we have to prove. Okay, there is no need to construction, that's why direct proof. Okay, in the triangle ABD and triangle BAC. First we take these 2 triangle. First one is ABD, means this one ABD, and the second is BAC. These 2 triangle first we take. So what we have given in this triangle, AD is equal to BC, this is given. Okay, next one is AB equal to BA, this is common side. Okay, and the third one is BAC angle, and the third one is angle CBA is equal to angle DAB. This is also given. Okay, CBA equal to DAB. These 3 things we have to given, and applying by these 3 things we can say that therefore triangle ABD congruent triangle BAC. This is first one, ABD congruent to triangle BAC by side angle, means side angle. Okay, this is first proof. Second, this is first, and this is first, and this one is second. If triangle ABD congruent triangle BAC, so BD equal to AC because by CPCT. CPCT means corresponding part of congruent triangle. If the two triangles are congruent, then all the sides, all the corresponding sides are also equal. That's why BD equal to AC. Third one is if triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC, so angle ABD is equal to angle BAC by CPCT. Okay, again, if the two triangles are congruent, then all angles of these two triangles are also equal. That's why BAD is equal to BAC. That's all. Okay, now we start question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to a line segment AB. Show that CD bisect AB. If AD and BC are equal perpendiculars to AB, okay, then we have to prove CD bisect AB. Okay, so first given what we have to given, BC is equal to DA and BC perpendicular to AB and DA perpendicular to AB. Okay, this thing we have to given, and to prove what we have to prove, CD bisect AB. Okay, means that is OB is equal to OA. Okay, OB is equal to OA means CD bisect AB. This one we have to prove. Then proof, because there is no need to any construction, that's why direct proof. So in the triangle BOC and triangle AOD. So in the triangle BOC and AOD, in the triangle BOC and AOD, BC, in the triangle BOC and triangle DOA or AOD, angle BOC is equal to angle AOD, vertically opposite angle. Okay, next one is angle B is equal to angle A given or each 90 degree, and last one is BC is equal to DA, which is also given. Okay, therefore we can say that triangle BOC is congruent to triangle AOD by angle side. If the two triangles are congruent, then all the corresponding sides are equal. That's why OA is equal to OB by CPC. Now today's class is finished. We will meet in next class. Till then, goodbye.